Hi. So today I'll walk you through the key features of Breakpoint app. This tool has been designed to help intraday traders, swing traders and investors to make faster and smarter trading decisions. Also, this tool has a section for analytics and real-time scanners for intraday and swing traders. And also there is a section to filter the stocks based on more than 80 plus technical indicators. So when designing this app, we had in mind that it should be easy to navigate even for a user who is new in the market. So based on that, we have tried to simplify the logics and the navigations across the platform. So while providing the required tools, we also had a thought about sharing educational content and strategy on the trading so that your success of winning is higher. So when you successfully sign up on the Breakpoint platform, you will land in this dashboard as you see on the screen, where all the features will be listed. So as of now, we have two plans, which is 28 days pro plan and 365 days pro plan. When you come under the pricing page, you will see all the plan details and the features which are included in each plan. Now we will look at each features on the Breakpoint. So the first section is a live scanner, live intraday scanner, where we track F&O stocks with targets and SL. You will see 3 targets here. Then on the same window, we are tracking the index trend in multi-time frame as well. In the scanner, we are only tracking long side. Then the second one is a live swing scanner. This scanner can be used for both intraday and short-term swing as well. In the scanner, we are tracking long entry only. If you are someone who interested to do swing in F&O, then you can filter only the F&O stocks here. Also, if you want to filter only the MTF stocks, then with just one click of it, it will filter on only the MTF stocks. Also, based on our analytics and the winning ratio of each symbols, we are also tracking the symbols with glowing green and glowing pink. So when you see a symbol with a glowing pink or a glowing green, that means that has a high winning rate. Then the next scanner or a section which is useful for an investor. In this scanner, you can filter the stock based on 80 plus technical indicator calculations. You have MACD, ADX, RSI, VWAP, Stage 2, EMA and many things. Here also we provide the combo scan as well. So with just one click of a button, the filters will automatically get applied. In the same section, you can also filter the stage 2 stocks. So once the stage 2 is active, you will see a stage 2 tag on each symbol which is stage 2. Also, there is a section to filter the insider buying stocks. Once you enable that insider buy, all the symbols which is having insider buy active will display. Now the next one is F&O Dashboard. The F&O section is mostly used for the F&O stock option analysis. Here, the analysis can be done based on the stock options, put call ratio and open interest. And in this section, we also track the OI trend analysis and also the breakout zone and breakdown zone as well. Then the most important part, the seller's trap analysis, where you will see the call sellers and the put sellers get trapped. And in each section, if you go, you will see all the details with regards to the section. Similar way, if you go to seller's trap, you will see the same thing. Then the next scanner is Nifty 500 Trend Rider. This scanner will be helpful for someone who is a busy professional or if they have a stock broking business kind of thing, because they only need to spend very less time in the market to find the right stock for their investing. It's hardly take 5 minutes. As you see here, it will already show which stock to buy and which one to sell. If you're already holding this stock, that means it's time to sell this stock. Here, we track all the 500 stocks with its buy and sell along with its sector movement. So for a person who don't have time to spend in the market, can just spend 5 minutes in a day to see this page and understand what is there for today to buy or sell. Next feature is a stage 2 analysis dashboard. Here, all the stage 2 stocks are being tracked and also the performance of each stage 2 stocks from the day it become a stage 2 stock. In the scanner, we have also tagged all the symbols with their MTF and F&O. On this dashboard, if you go to the first appearance tab, you will see all the stocks which have appeared for the first time. Then when you come to this table and then click on the price performance, it will show you after it become a stage 2 stock, how much move it had made. As you see here, for this particular stock, it became a stage 2 on March 15th. And then till now, it is still in buy zone and then it has created a return of 153%. Next feature is an order block zone. In order block zone, we track bullish and bearish blocks. Order block zone is actually used for tracking the institutional buy and sell zones to take early entries. We also have a guide section on the same page which will show you how to use this and how to understand each information. Next section is a new feature called Market Mover. In Market Mover, we track all the segments of the stock based on its industry strength, and then we rank them based on their performance. This section is very useful for an intraday trader who want to capture big moves in the intraday. In this section, you can find the real-time data for long entries and short entries. Next feature is ETF Trend Rider. Here we track the ETF as a basket and track the entry point and exit points. It will show when to enter and exit on the same page. Those who prefer to invest huge money in a low volatility instrument, ETF is a good choice. Next is the Insider Trading Analytics. Here we track all the patterns of our insider trading and then notify you about the same, so you can do further analysis on the chart and plan the next entries. Next is the Index Trend Dashboard. Here we are tracking the trend of Nifty and Bank Nifty in multi-time frame analysis, which is helpful for intraday traders and swing traders to take informed decisions. Next is the ETF Dashboard. ETF Dashboard is a ETF swing scanner. We track around 60 plus ETF to get the entries. Next, we have a trade diary. This can be used for logging our trading activity. Next one is corporate announcements. This section will give you details about the recent announcement. If you want to view a specific announcement details, you can just simply click on the document and then it will open up the details. And the last one is the LearnX. LearnX, we having the strategy videos and the tutorial videos. So if you are watching this after a few months, then it may be already outdated. So please reach out to our support desk and ask for a live demo to get the experience. On top of this, we also provide assistance through WhatsApp number. We have a dedicated support assistance number where you can reach out and clarify your queries. Next, I will show you how to sign up and subscribe. So for that, you have to go to the Breakpoint website, which is brkpoint.in. So when you go to the website, you will see a homepage like this. And then when you go to the Get Started Now, you will be prompted with a form where you need to fill up all the details. So once you fill up all the details and then you click on Sign Up, what happens is you will be asked to enter an OTP which go into your email ID. So once you enter that OTP, your account will get created. So after that, when you sign up, you will see a message here to renew your subscription. When you click on that, you will actually go to this page where you can see the plans and the features. When you go to a subscribe button, when you click on that, it will open up the Razorpay payment gateway where you can select your payment method, whether it's a UPI or card. You can choose that option and then simply scan your QR code to complete the payment. So once the payment is done, it will automatically get updated on the system, and then all you need to do is log off and then log in. So all your subscribed features will be automatically applied on your account. Then you will be getting a screen like this. So we have a dedicated support line on WhatsApp, as well as we have a Telegram group community as well. I'm sharing the links for the same. So if you want to join, you can do that. Thanks for watching.